Process on the Korean Visa Application Center. We chose to apply directly to KVA kasi we believe mas mabilis siya. For a normal tourist visa, you can apply on behalf of your immediate family. Mahaba yung pila kasi the day before was holiday for Korea. Front desk line is for initial assessment of documents, then you will be given a queuing number after that. I was 225 when I arrived at 10 a.m. If you have extra budget, KVAC offers premium lounge service with a 2,000 per applicant fee. I took a picture of some of the sample of the visa application form for your reference. You cannot eat inside but they have water dispenser. So nung araw na yun, sobrang dami talagang tao. So expected ka na siya kasi holiday the day before. KVAC follows the Philippine holiday and the Korean holiday. Nung araw na nag-apply ako, pasok pa ako sa 12 working days. But nung araw na yun, they also announced na magiging 14 working days na siya. You have to follow their page for updates kasi they regularly update it. Then after a few days, they changed to 16 working days na. Our application was expected to have result on October 28. Keep in mind that all transactions here are cash payments only. So make sure to bring extra cash. Nagpa-courier service na lang kami with 300 pesos fee each applicant. After lumabas yung result, mga a day or two madideliver na yung passport. I was finished around 5:30 to 6 p.m. na. I asked the staff and on normal days, you can finish under an hour lang.